These are all the books that I bought this month. Bought 10 books this July. Kasi, isip ko, Teya, birthday mo naman. Deserve mo to. Walang ibang bibili niyan para sa'yo, kundi ikaw lamang. Pero ayun nga, I bought these for my July mid-year / birthday book haul. Yes! First book that I got, this is actually something na hindi ko binili. This was gifted to me by my friend AJ. This is Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. Thank you so much AJ for my birthday gift. Door-to-door delivery to nung binigay sa akin ni AJ. So, thank you so much AJ. Shout out to you, Miss Cutie Tales. I love you so much. The next books are yung mga binili ko sa Orange app, and since merong sales sa Fully Booked. So the first thing that I got in Fully Booked is this one. This is Mitch Albom's Twice. I personally love Mitch Albom's books. As you can see, dito sa may bookshelf ko, ayan, I have a little bit of a collection of Mitch Albom's books. So, this one, it seems promising kasi nakalagay dito. What if you got to do everything in your life again? So, para dun sa mga parang may mga regrets, ganyan. What if you got to do everything all over again? What would you do? Diba? Parang, promising, interesting plot. So, I bought this one. Next thing that I got is this one. Project Hail Mary. Sabi ko dati, babasahin ko muna yung libro bago ko panoorin yung movie. Pero, nung lumabas yung movie, wala nang stock itong librong to. At sabi din nila, mas maganda daw kasing basahin tong libro if merong kasabay na audiobook. So, ayun, hindi ko napanood yung movie, hindi ko din nabasa yung libro, at hindi ko pa rin napapakinggan yung audiobook. So, let's put this on my TBR for next month, or I don't know, kasi niroroleta ko yung TBR ko. Pero, I finally got this book. Yay! Next that I got from Fully Booked is this series. This is The Cruel Prince, The Queen of Nothing, and The Wicked King. This is actually AJ's favorite book. I don't know if favorite book series niya din, pero The Cruel Prince is one of her favorite books. So, sabi ko, why not basahin ko din. Next naman are the books that I got from National Bookstore. So, I got a total of 3 books from National Bookstore. I also bought this online. First book that I got from National Bookstore is this one, Frederick Backman's My Friend. Pinunan ko ng S. Bakit ko siya binili? Because I saw a lot of recommendations here sa BookTok na maganda daw to, and Frederick Backman's books are really great. So I decided to give it a try. I actually wanted to buy this one, A Man Called Ove or Ove. Yung movie kasi na A Man Called Otto is based on this book. So I really wanted to buy that book too. Pero wala siyang stock ngayon. So this one is the one that I got. I think I also wanted to buy Anxious People, pero wala ding stock. Pero I heard naman great reviews for this book. So, I bought this na din. And the next 2 books that I got from National Bookstore are books from Filipino authors. The Bathala Games. This is from E. Manawari. Actually, I wanted to buy this doon sa parang book fair last time, like Filipino book fair sa Mega Mall. Pero, medyo naubusan ako ng budget. Medyo madami kasi yung binili ko. As you can see here, puro Filipino authors yung nandiyan sa side na yan. And sayang kasi nandun yung author din. Meron siyang book signing. Pero, I finally got this. This is the Bathala Games. This is based on Filipino mythology. So, I'm really excited. And there's also a cat in the cover. And it looks like my Olive. Olive is here. See? Olive is here. Last book that I got from National Bookstore is this one, Infinite Lives, Infinite Deaths by Douglas Candano. It has horror, magic realism, metafiction, science fiction, and mythology, folklore, Philippine history, Chinese Filipino experience. I wanted to really explore more books from Filipino authors, and this one looks promising as well. And the author is also a Palangka winner, so I'm expecting great things from this book. Last two books that I got are also from Fully Book. Kasi kapag pupunta ka ng mall and merong Fully Book sa mall, hindi pwedeng hindi ka dadaan. Pero ayun na naman, sabi ko, birthday mo naman, Thea. Claim mo na lang yung discount mo for your birthday. So I was like, okay, I'll go to Fully Book to buy just one book for my birthday. Oh, just one book pero nakabili na ako ng ilang libro din online. Hindi counted yun kasi sa mismong bookstore ako bumili. Iba yung online sa bookstore. Budol talaga. Sabi ko one book lang, di ba? Pero I got two books from Fully Book sa SM Santo Tomas. First one that I got is this one, Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. This is also one of the recommendations here sa BookTok. And I also saw this on a post sa FB. And lastly, this one, Before I Knew I Loved You. Actually bought this for my sister kasi kumpleto niya na yung other books sa Before the Coffee Gets Cold. The other 5 books meron na siya, and this one is a new release. So, para makumpleto niya pa din yung set, we bought this na lang, Before I Knew I Loved You. So, that's all for my birthday slash mid-year book haul. Hopefully, I'll see you again next time for another book haul. Sa MIBF naman. I'm planning to go to MIBF again this year. So, I'll see you on my next book haul. Bye!